This is our new product release of a 63-7 convertible rear deck reinforcement kit. You're going to get your 6 pieces with this. If you need a deck lid because you don't have it, means you probably don't have this as well. We've made this in carbon fiber, infused carbon fiber. And the reason we did that is because this piece normally is steel from General Motors. We're not a steel manufacturer, we're a fiberglass manufacturer, composite. So we've reproduced this whole thing in carbon fiber infused, mainly because of this part. And so when you go to put this all together, this part gets riveted in here, and you'll notice when you look at this, you'll see all your indentations for all your holes line up perfect. So you're going to drill out your holes, you're going to prep the back side of the part and the inside of the other side, line up your holes, put your epoxy in there, and rivet this thing together, and this is going to be rigid as hell. You're going to have a nice quality part. And so that gives you that part of it. Your brackets that go on the back side, you can see where the holes get drilled out in the rivets. That gets riveted and bonded in place, and then your end caps that go on the end of it. So when you put this all together, you've got something as strong, if not stronger, than what you originally had from General Motors. So it's made to go across the back of your deck panel, which fits approximately right about in here. That's a complete kit is how you're going to be buying it. If you need just part of it, call up Melanie, and I'm sure she'll sell you just part of it. But odds are pretty good. If you're missing this, you're going to need everything. Thanks for watching.